This is a video walkthrough of problem 1 on the unit conversion. We have a truck going 55 miles per hour. What is the speed expressed in units of A, feet per second, B, meters per second, C, kilometers per hour? So mastering unit conversion, you start with the value. The value here is 55 miles an hour. We're not going to change the value. We're going to change the units in which the value is expressed. We don't want to change the value, so we just keep multiplying by 1. Fractions that are equal to 1 until we get the units we want. Let's see how it works. We start with what we know. The speed is 55 miles an hour. There it is. V equals 55 miles an hour. Now we're going to multiply by fractions that are equal to 1 to not change the speed. We're not changing the speed. We're just changing the units in which the speed is expressed. So we just start by putting the multiplication sign down and then a fraction. Now we want to get rid of the miles. So we put the miles in the bottom because the miles is in the top of miles per hour. And instead of miles, we want feet. So we put feet in the top. Now we have to make the fraction equal to 1. So how many feet are there in a mile? There's 5,280. Now that fraction is equal to 1 because the numerator is the same distance as the denominator. 5,280 feet is 1 mile. So now actually we can stop here and we have the speed in units of feet per hour, which is a lot. It's going to go a lot of feet per hour. The miles are going to cancel. But we don't want feet per hour, we want feet per second, so we have to multiply by another fraction. Hours is in the denominator of miles per hour, so we want to put hours in the top so it will cancel. And instead of going from all the way to seconds, I'm sure you can go all the way to seconds. Let's take it slowly. Let's go hours to minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Those are the same lengths of time. So that fraction is equal to 1. The hours cancel out, so now our unit is miles per minute. No, it's not. It's feet per minute. So I'm going to get rid of the minutes by putting it in the numerator, and I want seconds in the denominator, so now I have to make that fraction equal to 1. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So now I have 55 miles an hour, and I'm multiplying it by 1 3 times. The speed's not going to change. So the hours cancel out, the miles cancel out, the minutes cancel out, and I get feet per second. So the number is 80.7 feet per second. That's part A. Part B is meters per second. So we can use much of what we used in part A for part B, the time, because we have seconds in the bottom in both cases. We want to get rid of miles, but this time we want meters in the top, so we put them units there, and now we have to make that fraction equal to 1. There are 1,609 meters in a mile. So now the miles cancel, the hours cancel, the minutes cancel. So we have meters per second. 24.6 is the number, and the units are meters per second. For part C, all we have to do is to convert the distance unit because the time unit is the same, hours. So 55 miles per hour, 1,609 meters per mile. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. The kilometers stay, the meters cancel, the miles cancel. So if you can throw a baseball at 55 miles per hour, you can throw it at 80.7 feet per second, 24.6 meters per second, 88.5 kilometers per hour. Those are all the same speeds, just expressed in different units. That's problem 1.